Are you tired of personal events cluttering your work calendar? Move any existing event to your work calendar in seconds with this simple trick. Start by clicking the event you want to move, then change its calendar using the drop-down menu and save. Let me show you how. First, click on the event you want to move or assign. Then, click the Edit Event button. That's the pencil icon. Now, open the Calendar drop-down menu. From the list, select Work Calendar. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.